Hello guys, this is Ansab and you are watching the Ansab YouTube channel. So welcome to another video on web hosting course for beginners. In this video I will tell you how you can register for a free web hosting service. And in the last video I have showed you how you can get a free domain. So in this video we will see how you can use that free domain with your free web hosting account. So if you have seen my last video, then you know what is this. This is Freenom, from where we have registered our free domain. So now I will use a service called Infinity Free, which is really very good website for free hosting. So let's start. So first you need to go to the address, that is infinityfree.net, and you can see this is the website. And if you can see, then the free hosting, you can see these are the plans in fast free hosting, 99.9 uptime, and no force ad, completely free, host any domain. Okay, so first we need to register on that. You can just go to sign up or register, just click on here, register. After there, if you already have an account, then just go to login to an existing account or sign up for a free account. So enter your email address here and then enter your password, then enter confirm password, and then do that I am not a robot reCAPTCHA. So okay, it may also ask you to identify some of the images, and just click on I have read and terms of service, and then click on sign up. So let me enter my details here. Actually I am hiding my details for some reasons. Okay, so now as I have entered my details, now just click on sign up after entering your details. And then it is saying that a verification link has been sent to this email ID. So this is my email ID, and now let me open my Gmail account, or I can just okay, so I will show you how to do this. Or you can, if you have already opened your Gmail account in your mobile phone, then you can also click verify email address from there also. So you can see my Gmail account has been opened, and just you can see this is the Infinity Free email, and just click on this message, and now you can see verify email address. Okay, so now you can see your email address has been verified. You can now create your hosting account. So you can click close this and just go to your account, and you can see that you can add new account. So for I think it support to 5 or 3 free accounts. So just click on new account and enter a free subdomain. If you want to use a free subdomain from Infinity Free, then you can enter your domain, and its extension will be yourdomain.epizzy.com or yourdomain.rf.gd, or you can even use your own domain. So in this video we will going to use our own domain, which we have created using Freenom. So first go to Freenom, log into your account as you have done in the last video, and now go to the services tab and go to my domains. And after that you can see this was the domain which we have created, whcourse.cf. okay, so we need to use this domain, whcourse.cf. okay, enter your own domain, whcourse.cf. let me confirm. WSEOUSE. Okay, and account username will be generated automatically, account password will also be generated automatically. And now click I am not a robot. Okay, and now click on create account. And before that, so you can see that your domain is not pointing to this name server, so it is asking us to change our name server. So what we have to do is to use our domain on Infinity Free server. Our domain should point to these two name servers. So these are the name servers of Infinity Free. So go to your client area, now go to manage domain, this, go to manage domain, and now go to management tools, and you can see the first option is name servers. So click on use custom name servers and enter the name servers here. So first one is copy, and the second one is ns2. So you can see ns1.epibyz.com, and second is this, and just click on change name servers. So you can see now our name servers changes saved successfully. It may take some time to reflect the changes, so just try again creating an account. So yeah, you can see we are setting up, this is our username for this account and website whcourse.cf for you. In a few minutes your account is ready and you can set up your website. So we've client area, so it will take some time to set up our account, and your account is being created, so just wait, it will take some time. And you can see the status is in processing, so it may take some time. After like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, even 1 or 2 hours it may take. So just wait, and when it will be finished processing, then I will continue to this video. So after refreshing the page, you can see that the status is active, and it took me like 2 or just 2 to 3 minutes. So now you can see the status is active, and these are the options for control panel, file manager, and the account setting. So just go to account setting, and for safety purpose, just you can change your password. Just change your password so that you don't have to click on recover password every time you open your account, because the password generated by Infinity Free is like very complex, like combination of capital, small, special characters, and numeric characters. So just let me enter my custom password here. It is not compulsory, but you can change for just to remember. Now and you can see updating your password here will change the control panel password, FTP, and MySQL database of this hosting account. Will not change your client area or webmail's password. So I will tell you what is webmail. I will tell you in later video. Click on and just click on yes, change the password. Yes, change the password. Okay, and the password has been updated. And if you want to see your password, your account details, you can see click on show hide. Just it will show or hide your password, and this is the FTP password. This is the FTP username and FTP password and FTP hostname, FTP port. If you can also use these things without logging into the Infinity Free, you can use any FTP client like FileZilla. Just use these details to log in. So this was the demo of how you can register on Infinity Free or any free web hosting and use your Freenom account, Freenom domain. So in the next video we will see like the demo of control panel and how you can get a free email ID. So stay tuned for these videos, and like, share, comment, subscribe, and share this whole video so that other can also register, or they can also know how they can get a free hosting. So bye, see you in next video.